hot wallets and cold wallets. What are they and which is better? Hello, I'm Joe and I help people get involved in the crypto space in a safe, secure way. Before I carry on, please like, follow and share this video so that we can help more people stay safe in the world of crypto. Please make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to give you some important security information which is going to help you. Okay, so hot wallets, cold wallets. What are they? Let's start with hot wallets. Now, a hot wallet is typically a wallet that you use as an extension on your browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, many other browsers as well. So basically, this is like an app on your browser, like an app on your phone. Now, this is known as an extension. So you can Google Chrome extensions and it will take you to an extension store where there are thousands and thousands of different extensions. So firstly, I would say be careful what you're downloading from the extension store because you never know. There sometimes can be corrupt extensions on that store. But the reason these are called hot wallets is because it is on your device, your browser. So you are essentially constantly connected to the internet. Now, examples of hot wallets are MetaMask, Phantom Wallet, TronLink, Trust Wallet, and all of these are decentralized. Typically, hot wallets are decentralized. Not always. Coinbase Wallet, for example, is a centralized wallet, but it is a hot wallet simply because it's an extension on your browser. So unless you turn your device completely off, it still maintains an internet connection. So what this means is that you are exposed to more risk. Now remember, as decentralized wallets, it means you are responsible for your security. So you have your private seed phrase or security phrase or recovery phrase, whatever your particular hot wallet calls it, or even security key, which means it's your responsibility to make sure that you don't give that to anybody or lose it. The risk with all of these is that because you've got it on your browser, you're probably going to be visiting many different crypto sites, and often these sites will request you to connect your wallet. If you don't know the site, it's an unfamiliar site or a site you don't recognize, then if you connect your wallet, you could be exposing yourself to considerable risk. Also, airdrop tokens. This means that some scammer has created a token and they basically distribute these tokens to thousands and thousands of addresses. And sometimes these tokens are created in a way that they will create an access point into your wallet. I don't know the technology behind that, but that's how I understand it. It's certainly something you need to be careful of. Often these are called sweeper bots that are allowed access. Other risk factors are emails. Often scammers will send you an email that pretends to be from MetaMask or Trust Wallet or some other wallet. And if coincidentally you have that wallet installed on your browser, it will say to you, you need to update or your assets will be frozen. So then you click on the link, it takes you to a fake website and it asks you for your security details. Now you've lost access to your wallet. So having a hot wallet, whilst very easy to use and has many obvious benefits, you are at a higher risk of compromising your wallet. So a hot wallet is typically a decentralized wallet that is used as an extension on your device browser and has access to the internet on a continuous basis. So, cold wallet. A cold wallet is a separate device for the storing of your crypto. So, examples of this would be the Trezor, Elipal, Ledger Nano, and Tangent wallet. Tangent Wallet's a little different, but essentially all of these things are USB sticks specially designed for the storage of crypto. So because all of your crypto is held on this special USB stick, it is not connected to the outside world in any way. Again, Tangent Wallet is a little bit different, and you should research that if you're going to buy a Tangent Wallet, but it is extremely secure. I think they've sold millions and millions and never ever had a security breach. I don't know if that's true on all of the others. But ultimately, because there isn't any access to the internet in a general way, this is called air gapping, and it means that the security breaching of these devices is 0 to very, very low. The security risk, of course, is when you connect to your device in order to perform a transaction. So Nano Ledger, Trezor, Elipal, you connect them to your, let's say, laptop, you perform a transaction, complete that transaction, and then you disconnect. So for that period of time that you're connected to the internet, you are at a limited risk, but a risk nonetheless. Again, Tangent doesn't work like that. That works on, I think it's NFC technology. So you have an app on your phone that shows all your crypto, but the crypto is really held on the card that you are provided with. It's the size of a credit card. And when you perform a transaction, you don't connect your wallet. You simply authorize the transaction externally by tapping your card on your phone in the same way that you would tap your card on the point of sale machine in a petrol station or in a store, for example. So a cold wallet is a separate device that is specially designed to hold your crypto without having to connect to data or internet Wi-Fi. So quick bit of additional security for you. To reiterate really what I've already said, remember, whether it's a hot wallet or a cold wallet, if it is decentralized, you hold the security key, the seed phrase, the recovery phrase. It's your responsibility to make sure that you do not share that security key with anybody, no matter what they promise you. There is no tech problem or no glitch that can be resolved by sharing your key with another person. That key is for the sole purposes of securing the wallet and signing transactions. There is no other use for it. Never share it with anybody. Never click on any links, either by email or on a website, because they could be corrupt links that are designed to download viruses to your laptop that can feed every piece of information, including keystrokes, to the hacker. So be very careful on what links you click on. Okay, so now you know what a hot wallet is, you know what a cold wallet is, and you've had a couple of security tips. So like, follow, and share this video. Make sure you do follow, because something massive is coming, and I'm going to be making a video very soon. There is a brand new staking platform launching where you can earn Ethereum every single day. And if you don't want to miss out, then make sure you follow. And when we do a live stream from Vietnam, where we will be launching this product, I will release the link so you can watch this launch on live stream YouTube. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.